you think you'll be the next Rory McIlroy?
Yeah, I will be. I'm very confident.
I'm here at Holywood Golf Club, just outside Belfast, the home of Rory McIlroy. It is a Grand Slam, one of only 6 players to do it, and the first European. There is so much pride here in Hollywood today, so much passion and emotion.
There were tears, floods of tears, happiness just beyond anything we could have dreamt about.
It's hard to put into words, to be quite honest. Only 5 players before Rory have done this, and for us to say he's from this small town in County Down is just incredible.
Obviously a really big moment, and it's really cool to see just how good he did.
The fact that he's 6th player to win a Grand Slam, that's quite special, you know.
I think this will mean everything to the club, its members. They have supported Rory and he's supported them for a very long time. It's nice to see all of his hard work pay dividends.
It's just been an absolute inspiration hearing and seeing Rory win the Grand Slam. It's fantastic for the club, it's fantastic for Hollywood. We can't wait to get him home to celebrate.
I think I will be him too when I'm like 35.